Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I would like to explain to you the comparison sentences in Chinese. So I divide the comparison sentences into 3 different levels. So now let's get started with the first level. So here we have 2 bags, LV 包和 EL 包。包 it means bag. LV 包多少钱？How much is LV bag? LV 包3万块，3万块。VL 包多少钱？ How much is VL bag? VL 包2万8千块，2万8千块。In daily life, instead of saying 2万8千块, we can simply say 2万8，2万8。So apparently we can tell that LV bag is more expensive than VL bag. So now we can make the sentence by saying that LV 包比 VL 包贵。LV 包比 VL 包贵。贵 is adjective, it means expensive. B is part of the structure for comparison sentence here. So literally this sentence means LV bag is more expensive than VL bag. I suppose this sentence is clear for you. Now let's check a second example. So here we have Lily and Mary. 这是 Lily. This is Lily. 这是 Mary. This is Mary. So now my question is, Lily 多高 Lily 多高 How tall is Lily? Reply, Lily 1米55 Lily 1米55 It means meter. Second question, Mary 多高 How tall is Mary? Mary 1米6 Mary 1米6 So we can tell that Mary is taller than Lily. So we can make the sentence by saying that Mary 比 Lily 高 Mary 比 Lily 高 is the adjective, tall in Chinese. So now from these 2 example sentences, we can generate the general pattern for the comparison sentence, which is A, B, B plus adjective. So here we have to pay attention. Previously, when we use adjective to make sentences, we get used to include something like 很,非常, right? For example, Lily is pretty. We would say Lily 很漂亮. However, in comparison sentence, before adjective, in here, we cannot put very or a little bit. So all these 3 situations are wrong. Now let's check the negative one. How would you say B is not as adjective as A? In this case, we will not use B anymore. We will use our old friend 没有. So let's go back to the first example. Now we can make sentence by saying VL bag is not as expensive as LV bag. So we can say VL 包没有 LV 包贵. The second, we will say Lily 没有 Mary 高. So that's what I called the first level of comparison sentence. Now people might have question. When you say LV 包 is more expensive than VL bag, people are curious. They would like to know a little bit more expensive or much more expensive. So in this case, how can we make it happen? So now let's move on to the second level of comparison structure. In my opinion, LV 包 is much more expensive than VL bag. So much more in Chinese is a lot. A lot in Chinese is called as 很多 So in this case, We repeat the same structure. LV 包比 VL 包贵. LV 包 is more expensive than VL 包. And then we put a lot in the end of the sentence. And it means LV 包 is much more expensive than VL 包. LV 包比 VL 包贵很多. Second situation. So between Lily and Mary, there's no huge difference regarding to the height. So in this case, it's just a little bit. A little bit in Chinese is 一点. Again, we copy the previous sentence. Mary 比 Lily 高. Mary is taller than Lily. So in this case, we put 一点 after 高. Mary 比 Lily 高一点. So now, this is a second level of comparison sentence when you would like to express A is much more adjective than B, or A is a little bit more adjective than B. 接下来, we move on to the last level of comparison sentence. Think about that. Even though sometimes I say, oh, LV bag is just a little bit more expensive than VL bags, and people still have doubt. What is a little? I need the number. So in this case, we give the detail. So if we compare the price of LV bag and VL bag, the price difference is 2000块. 2000块. So in this case, we give the precise detail. We can replace a lot by 2000块. So we can say LV 包比 VL 包贵2000块. It means LV bag is 2000 more expensive than VL bag. The second situation, Lily and Mary, size difference is 50 centimeter. So 50 centimeter in Chinese is 50厘米. 50厘米. So we can say Mary 比 Lily 高50厘米. Make sure that we always put the detail after the adjective. There's special things. So sometimes we would use this structure. A 比 B 更 adjective, or A 比 B 还 adjective. So if you still remember, in very beginning I said between B and adjective, there we should put nothing. Not 很, not 非常, not 一点. So here is the exception. What does that mean? I will show you. So here we have two examples. We have Lily and Mary, and if we look at the height of both as two adults, they are not very tall for both of them. However, the second group, Lily and Mary, in my opinion, they are tall. So for both situations, I can use the sentence Mary 比 Lily 高. Mary 比 Lily 高 to describe both situations. And what does that mean? That means when we say Mary 比 Lily 高, we cannot tell if they are tall or not tall. As long as Mary is taller than Lily, we can use this structure. However, how can I tell people that Lily is already tall and Mary is even taller? So for this type of sentence, we need to use this structure. Mary 比 Lily 更高 or Mary 比 Lily 还高. They are interchangeable. From this sentence, we can tell that Lily is tall, however Mary is even taller. So that's the difference between these two sentences. We can only use the second sentence to describe the second situation. Okay, so I hope this session is clear for you. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and let me know. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.